Hi friends, PV Engineers YouTube channel welcomes you all. In this video, what are the various boards and indicators are used in Indian Railway, or we can discuss. Before start the video, kindly subscribe this channel with the bell icon. Then only you can get the notification when new videos uploaded. This is a goods warning board. It's a black color rectangular board, central with a circle of yellow color, and yellow color strips are provided up and below of the circle. It is placed 1400 meter in rear of first stop signal or gate stop signal or intermediate block stop signal. Next one is passenger warning board. It's a rectangular board with yellow and black color strips. It's placed 1000 meters in rear of first stop signal and gate stop signal and intermediate block stop signal. Next one is shunting warning board. It's a diagonal board with alternate strips of yellow and black color. It is placed only in the single line track. It warns the LP of an approaching train. Shunting in face of his train is permitted at this station. Next one is shunting limit board. It's a yellow color board with a cross of black color, and shunting limit also written in this board. Shunting limits boards are provided in the class B single lines instead of advanced starter. It is provided not less than 180 meter in advance of first stop signal. And also it demarcates the station section and block section. Next one is block section limit board. It's also a rectangular board with the cross. Block section limit is written on the board. It is provided on the double lines in advance of FSS, not less than 180 meters. It demarcates the block section. Next one is stop board. It's a yellow color rectangular board. The word stop is written by block. It is provided on the goods terminal yards and coaching terminals and wrong direction on double line. Coaching terminals where standard buffers are provided, these stop boards also provided. Next one is station warning board. It's a white color square board with a circle of black color at the center. It is provided on 1200 meter in rear of class D flag station or alt station. We want the loco pilot to stop the train at this class D station. Next W board. It's a yellow color square board with the letter W by block letters. This W stands for continuous whistle. It is provided 600 meter in rear of deep cuttings and curve and tunnel. Seeing this board, the loco pilot shall whistle continuously from the approach of this board to get the clear view of the track. Next, W bar L board. This is a whistle board for level crossing. It is placed 600 meter in rear of all level crossings. Next, repeater whistle board for LCs. It is provided 250 meter in rear of LCs where clear track view is not available. Now you are seeing the caution indication board. It is provided 600 meter in rear of vulnerable spot. When seeing this board, LP shall pass this vulnerable location with cautious. This is termination indication board. It is provided at 600 meter in advance of vulnerable spot. When seeing this board, LP, you can understand he passed the vulnerable location. This caution and termination indication boards are provided during monsoon seasons. This S board is provided where the siding is available on the track. When seeing this board, LP shall understand he is approaching a point where siding is available. It is a 500 meter neutral section warning board. It is placed 500 meter in rear of neutral section. Seeing this board, loco pilot should maintain the minimum 30 kmph. Again, it's a 250 meter neutral section warning board. Seeing this board, LP should not reduce the speed of the train not less than 30 kmph. This is a DJ open warning board at neutral sections. While seeing this board, LP should switch off the power supply of the loco. This is a DJ close warning board. Seeing this board, the loco pilot shall switch on the power supply of the loco. Next we can see the engineering indicators. First one is caution indicator. It's in the shape of the fishtail on one end and another end is conical shape. It is provided 1200 meters in rear of long duration work spot and also for permanent speed restrictions. This is the speed indicator board. It's in triangular shape. It is provided not less than 30 meter in rear of long duration work spot and also permanent speed restriction spot. Next one is stomp indicator. It is painted with the red and white bars with both ends. It is provided not less than 30 meter in rear of work spot. At this spot, LP shall stop the train and need to sign the ER7 book given by the engineering official at the stop indicator. This is termination indicator for passenger trains. It is provided in the length of longest passenger train in the section. This is termination indication board for goods trains.